welcome back to the channel. For those of you who don't know, my name is Chris Moore, and in today's video, me and Magic Mike is at it again. This time, Magic Mike says this one is special. Super special to him because this is his bike. Finally, Magic Mike has picked him up a new toy, 2022 Hayabusa, and he's already putting the magic touch on it. Yeah, that's right, guys. Unfortunately, we're not tuning today, but we are doing a review of the M4 exhaust. He went with the M4 exhaust, just wanted to have something a little different. He liked the way the canister looked, he liked the price of it, and he liked that it was readily available, and we were able to get it pretty quick and get it installed in here. Let me shut this door so we can... Uh-oh. Hold on a second. The lock shut. There we go. Now you guys can see it a little better. This M4 exhaust system is extremely nice looking. It is a 100% Gen 3 exhaust that is made specific for this model. It is not a Gen 2 exhaust that has been retrofitted. This is a Gen 3 exhaust system made by M4 that is a direct plug and play. You can see Magic Mike also deleted a lot of his stickers on the bike, cleaned it up, the look of it. What do you think about the look of the matte silver and red? I don't know if you can tell in the video or not, but this is a matte paint. This is factory finish too. This is not, it's not shiny, in other words. So anyways, looks super, super good. And then that's one of my favorite colors there, the candy red. It looks super good on here. Really nice combination. He's trying to figure out what to do next. Comment in the comments below. Give us both some ideas on what you would do to this thing to make it look better. He's thinking maybe some candy red wheels, thinking of powder coating or painting something. I don't know, he don't know. We're trying to decide. Let us know in the comments below. But we're about to fire this thing up and do a baseline pull. Stay with us, guys. One of the first mods that Mike did before the exhaust was he gave it a name. Big Booty Judy in the house. Yeah, that's right. The name kind of fits the bike. Big Booty Judy and Magic Mike going for a ride together. All right, guys, let's fire this M4 exhaust up, see what it sounds like. Notice we have no check engine lights, no nothing like that. We do not have, you can actually see it does have a check engine light. I lied because we did run it on the dyno. We just got to clear that out for now. That's super easy to clear. We have all the tools to clear that with using our OBD2 scanner. So we're going to clear that code to show you that it has no codes, but we're going to fire it up and let you hear what it sounds like. Kind of do a walk around. See what you think. Comment in the comments below. Let me know what you think of the sound of this exhaust. Once we get it off the dyno, we're going to get it out in the parking lot, ride it up down the parking lot a few times, just so you can hear it in a different atmosphere, not in this little bitty room. So he's about to clear the code out. For those of you who have never seen us do this, we will video show and clear the code. Is super simple on these bikes if you have the right tools. So all you have to do is pop off the rear seat. You see this little red plug-in back there? That is the Euro 5 OBD2 adapter is what you need in order to clear it. You can buy a lot of this stuff on Amazon, guys. This is fairly cheap. This little plug-in that we bought was about 30 or 40 bucks, and then the OBD2 adapter was about 40 bucks, 30 bucks as well. And then this little cheap thing, I think I paid like 40 bucks for that thing like 10 years ago. It's just a simple OBD2 scanner. AutoZone, Walmart, anywhere like that sells this stuff. Amazon, you can buy this stuff. Now it has a code for the wheel speed sensors. That's where we had it on the dyno before we got on here to video with you guys. And we saw that it had, basically the back wheel is spinning, the front wheel is sitting still. The dyno don't like that, it freaks out. We're clearing that code out. We're gonna show you we have no codes, and then we're gonna let her rip and see what it made. This thing made a baseline horsepower pull. How much you made?
178 and 108 foot-pounds of torque.
178 and 108 foot-pounds of torque. Of course, that was off video. That was after Mike got it broke in with the stock exhaust system. So 0 modifications whatsoever. 178 horsepower, 108 torque. We're about to fire it up and see what she'll do now. And back to what we said originally, no check engine light. All right, guys, baseline pull coming up right here. Tricking you with the final numbers. We do have them here. Pretty impressive. We went from 178.53 at 108 foot-pounds of torque to 181.84 and 111 foot-pounds of torque. Let's look here in the mid-range. Pretty nice gains here. Let's put this in RPM scale. When we do that, let's see. You can see the red is the baseline, the blue is the after. I'm about to sneeze. Oh boy, I ain't gonna do it. Not on camera. We got it's 5,800 RPMs. We went from 102 foot-pounds of torque to 108, and went from 112 horsepower to 119. So these are huge gains in everyday riding condition. Then you see here at 8,000 RPMs, we went from 163 to 168. And then on our peak horsepower at 9,600 RPMs, we went from 178 to 181, which is not a huge gain, 3 horsepower. But remember, this ECU is restricted from the factory, and we can't do anything about that yet. But my biggest gain here that I'm most impressed with is down here in the 5,000 and 6,000 RPM range. Huge gains. And like I said, that's something that you're gonna feel every single day. Magic Mike, you happy with everything so far?
Yeah, definitely.
It's definitely a super nice exhaust system. We're about to roll it out here in the sunlight so you can see what that carbon looks like out in the sun, see the paint, and then we're gonna fire it up and let you hear it run outside. Mike's gonna ride it through the parking lot. Comment in the comments below, let me know which exhaust would you choose if you had a 2022 Hayabusa, and if you do have a 2022 Hayabusa, which exhaust did you choose already? The matte silver color combo on this thing looks super good. I think maybe for the next giveaway bike, what do you think? We do a matte silver one? Matte silver. Maybe we put some red carbon fiber BSD. The bike sounds good, man. Not too loud, nice and deep, nothing crazy. I feel like if you were riding this bike for a long ways, it wouldn't get on your nerves. Bit of a sample of the sound in the parking lot. Anyways, just to kind of give you an idea, as soon as Mike pulls back up, we'll give it a few revs out here in the parking lot. See what you guys think. Bike sounds super good. I hope you guys enjoyed today's content. That's gonna do it for today's video. Be sure to subscribe to the channel. We do videos like this all the time. If this is your first time watching, smash that like button. And as always, guys, we appreciate you. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.